Hey y'all, so I'm making a salad and this tomato's almost old, so I want to chop it up. Before it get old, my plan was to make it before it got old, a taco salad. But I never got around to it because I've been working. So I got the cheese in it, the lettuce in it. This is sliced cheese. I like a lot of cheese in my food. My hand itching. That means some money's gonna come. I'm gonna put some meat in it. I normally have bacon to put in it. While my chicken is going on. I don't know, cut and block.
Pew pew.
Salad. Lucas don't like salads. He's not here right now. So I get to make me a salad. I should put a little bit of my... Put a little bit more meat in it.
Pew pew.
Like my salads to be meaty. A little bit.
Pew pew.
Alright. Look at my salad with tomatoes, ham, and cheese. My meat.
Pew pew.
Are cooking. Let's get ready to flip it. I just flipped it. That's why it's still looking kind of pale. With these onions. My food for tonight. Bon appetit. God bless. Mwah.